me start this video off saying that this is my 97 Lexus ES300. Bought it for the low. Now all the work begins. I already got the list. I usually start with the repairs first. Transmission is having some issues. We won't go into drive automatically. You got to start at first, second, climb it up to third. Sounds like a grinding noise inside the transmission when you touch the accelerator pedal, but you know, that's going to be the first attention to the car. Repair, the maintenance, give it a good ass tune up, fix everything that's wrong. And then after that, minor upgrades. There's plans on doing a color swap on this car. Tinting, got to change out the front windshield. I do at one point will be changing up the interior. Shit is dirty. Dash 2 included. For now, I'm just gonna put some music in it. I don't know if I'm gonna do 212s, if I want to do 210s. I know I definitely want to do some 8s in the back. For my mids, I got some door speakers too, so work on the mids, work on the highs. Tweety work up there. Seat needs some love, but like I said, I'm not really too worried about the interior right now. My main focus is to get this car running right, repair all that's damaged on it. Let's pop the hood on it. We got 326,465,000 miles on it. Runs smooth, it's on if you didn't know. It runs real smooth, so it's a really good sign. But everything's gonna be reworked, and kind of do want to do like a mild wire tuck. Do something, clean up the engine bay. Definitely relocate the battery, but you know, change out the headlights. I kind of see like a whole different front end on this car. Fabricate some things, but I gotta find a designer, digital designer, to see how that'll look on paper first, on the computer, and then you know from there we could go and really mock up the real thing. But this is it, Lexus ES300. This is my DD, my daily driver. This is the before, what it looks like now. Vision that I'm gonna play out on the first minor upgrades. That's you know what you'll see, but what you'll really enjoy is once I'm done as far as doing the interior swap. Is my main focus on this car. I might do a mild wide body depending on the wheels. I already know what kind of wheels I'm gonna do. Both setups, with the minor upgrades and the fully, you know, customizable look that I'm going for. Drive it'll go slowly, but that's telling me that it's, you know, it's not that bad right now. So hopefully I'm gonna put it up on the lift and drain out the transmission fluid and see what it looks like. Hopefully I don't see no material, no metal shavings, and just swap out the fluids and filter, and yeah. Hopefully we got a good car for low. $700, not bad. Anyways, this is your boy Hondro. By the way, got that sunroof. That one touch too. Cloudy today, but you know. So this is your boy Hondro, and what I represent every day, all day, every day, ATR. But the rest, quality over everything. Savage.